Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the wild Apricot for Admins app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Wild Apricot for Admins is a mobile companion app designed for administrators of membership-based organizations, associations, and nonprofits. It allows admins to manage member records, process payments, track invoices, check in event attendees, and update contact details on the go. The app syncs directly with the Wild Apricot web platform, ensuring smooth integration between mobile and desktop use. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many admins appreciate the convenience of being able to manage members and events away from their desk. Features like quick payment recording, event check-ins, and easy member lookups make day-to-day operations much simpler. The clean interface and seamless syncing with the desktop version are also praised for saving time and reducing manual work. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional syncing delays, and certain advanced features available on the desktop version aren't fully supported in the mobile app. It's also primarily useful for basic admin tasks, so organizations needing complex reporting or advanced customization may still need to rely on the desktop platform. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Wild Apricot for Admins app may be worth using if you're an administrator looking for an efficient way to handle member and event management while on the go. It shines in convenience, payment processing, and event check-ins. However, if your organization depends heavily on advanced reporting or deeper customization, you might find the mobile version a bit limited compared to the desktop. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.